What eating 2 dates daily does to your body after 30 days. What if just 2 tiny fruits could significantly improve your health? While dates may seem like nothing more than a naturally sweet snack, they are actually packed with powerful nutrients that support nearly every system in your body. Known for their rich, caramel-like taste and chewy texture, dates have been consumed for thousands of years for their healing properties. Just eating 2 dates a day, not a whole handful, can bring noticeable changes in your energy, digestion, heart health, brain function, skin, and even immune system. In this video, we'll take you on a journey of what happens to your body after 30 days of this simple habit. 1. Boosts energy levels. Dates are nature's energy bar. With a natural blend of glucose, fructose, and sucrose, they provide an instant source of fuel that your body can absorb quickly. When you eat 2 dates a day, especially in the morning or as a midday snack, you'll notice an immediate increase in energy. This is because dates contain not only natural sugars, but also vitamins like B1, B2, B3, and B5 that help your body convert food into energy more efficiently. Over a 30-day period, most people report feeling less sluggish and more energetic throughout the day. Unlike coffee or processed snacks, dates don't give you a sudden spike followed by a crash. They give sustained energy that supports physical and mental activity. 2. Improves digestion. One of the most well-known benefits of dates is their positive effect on the digestive system. Just 2 dates a day provide about 3 grams of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining regular bowel movements and reducing constipation. The soluble fiber in dates helps to absorb water and create bulk, making stool easier to pass. Within a week or 2, you may notice less bloating, a flatter stomach, and more regular visits to the bathroom. By the end of 30 days, many people experience improved gut health, reduced gas, and even relief from mild irritable bowel symptoms. Plus, dates contain natural enzymes that help break down food, making digestion more efficient. 3. Supports heart health. Your heart will thank you for this tiny daily habit. Dates are rich in potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants, 3 powerful nutrients that help regulate blood pressure, relax blood vessels, and improve circulation. Potassium helps the heart maintain a steady rhythm, while magnesium is known to reduce arterial stiffness. By eating 2 dates a day, you provide your body with the nutrients it needs to support healthy cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. Over the course of 30 days, many people may experience lower blood pressure, improved blood flow, and better endurance during physical activity. 4. Enhances brain function. Want to boost your memory and focus? Dates are rich in polyphenol, flavonoids, and carotenoids, which have been shown to protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds help preserve brain cells, enhance communication between neurons, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. In a 30-day period, people who eat dates regularly often report sharper concentration, better mood, and less brain fog. The natural sugars also give the brain an instant fuel source, helping you stay mentally sharp throughout the day. 5. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a silent trigger behind many serious health conditions, from arthritis and heart disease to diabetes and even cancer. Dates are filled with anti-inflammatory compounds, including tannins and phenolic acids, which reduce inflammation at the cellular level. Consuming 2 dates daily for 30 days can significantly reduce inflammation in the joints and muscles. You may feel less stiffness when waking up, improved range of motion, and reduced discomfort in your knees, back, or hands. These effects are especially noticeable in people with inflammatory conditions like osteoarthritis. 6. Strengthens bones. You might be surprised to learn that dates are a great source of bone-supporting minerals, including calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. These minerals are crucial for maintaining bone density and preventing age-related bone loss. If you're over 30, bone health becomes increasingly important, especially for women. Eating 2 dates a day for a month won't rebuild bones overnight, but it will help your body maintain the nutrients it needs to keep bones and joints strong. Over time, this can reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. 7. Supports immune system. Dates contain a wide range of immune-boosting nutrients, such as vitamin C, zinc, selenium, and various antioxidants. They help your immune system produce white blood cells, fight off viruses, and reduce the effects of oxidative stress. By the end of 30 days, you may notice fewer colds, faster recovery from minor illnesses, and an overall improvement in how your body fights off infections. In addition, the fiber in dates feeds the healthy gut bacteria, which play a huge role in regulating immunity. 8. Promotes natural detox. Dates support your body's detox organs, the liver and kidneys, thanks to their high antioxidant and fiber content. The antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and reduce toxic buildup, while fiber assists in flushing waste out of the digestive system. Over a 30-day period, this gentle detoxification can lead to clearer skin, reduced bloating, less fatigue, and a stronger metabolism. Some people also report better breath and fewer digestive issues as their system clears out unwanted toxins naturally. 9. Improves skin and hair health. Want glowing skin and stronger hair? Dates are rich in vitamins A, B5, and B6, which support skin cell regeneration and scalp health. Their antioxidants protect against skin aging, fine lines, and environmental damage. Eating 2 dates a day for 30 days may lead to more hydrated, youthful-looking skin, reduced acne, and improved hair shine and texture. Vitamin B5 in particular helps reduce stress-induced hair loss and supports faster hair growth by improving blood flow to the scalp. 10. Curbs unhealthy sugar cravings. If you struggle with sugar cravings, dates can help you kick the habit. Their natural sweetness satisfies the urge for sugar, but unlike candy or processed sweets, dates contain fiber and nutrients that help regulate blood sugar levels rather than spike them. After a month of replacing your dessert or snack with 2 dates a day, you may find yourself craving less sugar overall. You'll feel more in control of your eating habits and experience more consistent energy without the highs and lows caused by refined sugar. 11. Enhances sleep quality. Dates contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin, 2 key hormones involved in regulating mood and sleep. Magnesium in dates also helps relax muscles and nerves, promoting deeper rest. Eating 2 dates in the evening may support better sleep patterns over time. By the end of the 30-day period, you might find that you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling more refreshed. 12. Helps with weight management. Although dates are naturally sweet, they are surprisingly low in fat and contain just enough calories to keep you full between meals. The fiber in dates helps you feel satisfied, curbing hunger without overeating. When combined with a healthy diet and lifestyle, eating 2 dates a day can support weight loss or maintenance goals. After 30 days, you may notice fewer food cravings and more control over your portion sizes. Who should be cautious with dates? While dates offer many health benefits, they are high in natural sugars and calories. People with diabetes, insulin resistance, or those on low-carb diets should consult a healthcare provider before making dates a daily habit. Stick to just 2 per day to keep sugar intake moderate, and always balance your diet with other whole foods. How to add 2 dates to your daily routine. If you're wondering how to easily incorporate 2 dates into your diet, the good news is, it's super simple. Here are a few ideas. Morning boost: eat 2 dates first thing in the morning with a glass of warm water or green tea. Pre-workout snack: eat them 30 to 60 minutes before exercise for quick fuel. Midday sweet fix: enjoy 2 dates instead of a sugary snack. Stuffed dates: add peanut butter, almond butter, or cream cheese for a mini snack. With nuts: pair dates with walnuts or almonds for added protein and fat. Long-term benefits of making dates a daily habit. While you'll likely notice improvements within 30 days, the real magic happens over time. When consumed daily, dates don't just offer short-term boosts. They contribute to long-term prevention of several chronic issues. Reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Support for healthy aging and cognitive clarity. Stronger gut flora and better digestion. Better hormonal balance. Improved blood sugar control. When dates are part of a healthy lifestyle, along with water, whole foods, sleep, and movement, they become a simple but powerful ally in lifelong wellness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and wellness updates. Stay healthy and see you next time.